Hello students, this is Pooja Patel from Oracle Coaching Classes of Commerce. Today I am delivering you the first lecture for the subject Bookkeeping and Accountancy for Standard 12th of Maharashtra Board, which contain 100 marks in the board examination, which broadly classify into two parts, 80 marks for final exam and 20 marks for aptitude test, which is conducted by the college. Let us move toward the syllabus of the subject. Syllabus is almost the same as the previous year, but only new chapter added in the syllabus, that is chapter 10, Computer and Accounting. Chapter 1 is Introduction to Partnership and Partnership Final Account. This chapter explains the concept of what is partnership firm, what are the features of partnership firm, what is partnership deed, and how to prepare the final account of partnership firm. Chapter 2 is Account of Not-for-Profit Concern. This chapter explains the concept of what is not-for-profit concern and how to prepare the final account of not-for-profit concern. Chapter 3 is Reconstitution of Partnership. This chapter shows the accounting treatment while admitting a new partner in the firm. Chapter 4 is Reconstitution of Partnership. This chapter shows the accounting treatment while one partner is retiring from the firm. Chapter 5 is Reconstitution of Partnership. This chapter shows the accounting treatment while death of partner. Chapter 6 is Dissolution of Partnership. Dissolution means close down of business. This chapter shows the accounting treatment while dissolution of partnership firm. Chapter 7 is Bills of Exchange. This chapter explains the concept of what is Bills of Exchange, why it used, and accounting treatment while using this negotiable instrument. Chapter 8 is a company account issue of shares. This chapter explains the concept, what is shares, and accounting treatment while issuing of shares for constructing the capital structure of the company. Chapter 9 is Analysis of Financial Statement. Chapter 10 is a Computer in Accounting. I am starting my first lecture with the first chapter, that is Introduction to Partnership and Partnership Final Account. With the question 1, what is partnership firm? Partnership firm is the firm or business organization which is carried on by two or more persons. I am explaining with the example. If Mr. and Mr. B are childhood friends, they are decided to start a firm or business. They bring the capital and they are using their brain and starting one business. That business name is AB Limited. That business is called partnership firm, and Mr. A and Mr. B both are friends. Now they are become partner because of starting the firm. The main object behind starting the firm is to earn a profit. All the partners in India are work as per the Indian Partnership Act 1932. Second question of this lecture is features of partnership firm. The first features of partnership firm is the registration. Registration of partnership firm in all over India is voluntary or optional, but in case of Maharashtra it's compulsory. Second features, lawful business. The business undertaken by partner must be lawful. Illegal business is not allowed in partnership firm. Third features, agreement. The agreement between all the partner may be verbal or written. Both are allowed. The liability of partners are unlimited. Fifth features, number of partners. Minimum 2 partners required to form a partnership firm. Maximum 10 in case of banking business and 20 in case of non-banking business. Last features is sharing of profit or loss. The main object of partnership firm is to earn a profit. That profit is shared and divided among all the partners as per the proportion mentioned in the agreement. From the second question, there is a possibility of asking objective type question like is a registration of partnership firm in Maharashtra is compulsory, true or false? Or how many partners required to form a banking business? This type of question are asked in the board examination. By this question, I am ending the today's lecture. We will meet in the next lecture with a question, what is partnership deed? What are the method of capital and various steps in accounting? If you have any comment, you can mention in the comment box. Thank you.